This video is going to show you how to use the point tool and a hole tool in Inventor. I have here a solid object that we're going to put a hole into, and to do so we're going to place where the center point of the hole is going to be. So I'm going to create a sketch and put it right on top. And I'm going to use the point tool, which is over here next to rectangle and under fillet, to put down the center point of where my hole is going to be. Now I want this to be centered, and this block is 2 inches by 2 inches. So we're going to set the dimension between the edge here to be 1 inch, and we'll set the distance between this edge and this edge to be 1 inch as well. Now that I have a point, I can use the hole tool. The hole tool will find the center point and try and put a hole there. Using this window here, we can set the different settings for the type of hole that we have. For example, right now we have just a regular drilled hole. I can include a counter bore. And if you look at the dimensions here, I can set the diameter of the bore, the depth of the bore, and the diameter of the main part of the hole. For the counter sink, which is this one down here, I can set the diameter of the sink. I can set the degrees of the angle of the countersink. 82 is the default and usually what you'll use. And then again, the diameter of the main part of the hole. I can also set the termination point of the hole. For a through hole, we say through all. For a blind hole, we say distance. And then this dimension becomes available to us. We set the distance in terms of depth of the hole. Finally, we want to be able to determine whether or not there's threads on the hole. If we want to include threads, we're going to click on tapped hole, which then expands the menu so we can include our thread type. If you're using US customary units, usually ANSI unified screw threads, you can set the diameter, and also the thread designation. In this case, it's a 1/4 inch diameter, 20 threads per inch, coarse threaded hole. If you wanted to go to metric, you can go to isometric M profile and set that based on the number of millimeters and the thread indicator that you want. When you're done, click on OK, and you've created a hole. So in this case, we've created one that has a counter sink and is threaded on the inside.